In today's video, I'll show you how to configure email templates in Dynamics 365, Customer Engagement, or CRM, the perfect way to streamline communication and maintain consistent messaging across your organization. First, open your Dynamics 365 app, whether it's Sales Hub, Customer Service Hub, or another module. Next, click the gear icon in the top right corner and select Advanced Settings. On the left panel, navigate to Templates, then choose Email Templates. Now, click plus New to create a new email template. Fill in key details like the template name, subject, category, permission level, and language. These define how and where your template will be used. Then use the rich text editor to write your message. You can format text, add bullet points, links, and more to create a professional layout. To personalize your emails, click Insert/Update and add dynamic fields like recipient name, company, or date. These automatically pull data from your CRM records, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. Once everything looks good, click Save or Save and Close. And your new template is ready to use. And that's it. You've just configured a reusable, personalized email template in Dynamics 365 to make your communication faster and more consistent.